Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming access and environment variables. Check your username, role permissions, and MFA token so you won't be blocked mid-flow. Once done, prepare the data file in CSV or JSON that matches the store schema to avoid rejections. Now open the console or CLI and point to the alpha endpoint, then authenticate. This first step eliminates basic failures and gets you directly into the upload context, where you'll run the initial validation and create your target dataset. Once authenticated, validate the payload against the store schema and fix type mismatches or missing keys to prevent partial imports. You should transform dates, normalize encodings, and replace nulls with defaults so records are consistent. This reduces downstream errors. Then split large files into manageable batches of 1,000 to 5,000 rows to keep ingestion atomic and retrievable. Make sure to test a single batch through the API to confirm headers, content type, and rate limits are respected before full upload. You upload batches and watch for 200/202 responses and any ingestion log entries pointing to errors. Immediate feedback lets you stop and fix broken rows. After ingestion, verify a sample of records using the store UI or run queries to ensure data integrity and indexing completed. If records failed, inspect error logs for row ID and descriptive messages, then reformat those rows and retry only the failed ID. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect timestamps and character encoding first when facing unexplained.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.